You are going to love the 2021 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.